Gerunds after object to. After object to, use a gerund, that is ing form of the verb, but not an infinitive. Ing is V1 plus ing form of the verb is called a gerund. She objected to waiting for so long. Objected to waiting so long is right. She objected to wait for so long is incorrect. This sounds right, but grammatically this is right. Objected to waiting, object or objected always take gerund forms of the verbs. Rule: object to takes V1 plus ing form of the verbs. They objected to paying extra fees. Look at the phrase here, objected to paying. He objected to working on weekends, objected to working on weekends. Complete each sentence with the correct ing form of the verb in the brackets. She objected to waiting in a long queue. Objected to waiting. Objected to takes the gerund with it. That's V1 plus ing. But of course, it sounds right sometimes when we say she objected to wait, but that's grammatically incorrect. They objected to paying higher taxes. Objected to takes V1 plus ing. He objected to working late at night. Working. Objected to working takes V1 plus ing, which is a gerund form of the verb. The students objected to writing another test. Writing. That's objected to takes V1 plus ing form of the verb. We objected to changing the original plans. changing. Changing. V1 plus ing. We take away e while we add ing to it. My parents objected to traveling alone. Traveling, which is V1 plus ing form of the verb. Objected to. Look at the phrases here. Objected to traveling alone. The workers objected to reducing their salaries. Objected to takes V1 plus ing form of the verb. I object to wasting time on unnecessary tasks. This is your turn. Object to takes what form of the verb? Is it an infinitive or does it take V1 plus ing? This is your turn.